Sigma may have won much praise for many of its recent prime lenses, but the company has also steadily been updating its collection of zooms. The 24 to 70 mm f2.8 DGOS HSM ART and 14 to 24 mm f2.8 DG HSM ART arrived over the past couple of years, and now, with the 70 to 200 mm f2.8 DGOS HSM sports lens, the company has completed a trinity that covers the full 14 to 200 mm range without once dipping below a maximum f2.8 aperture. Despite being significantly cheaper than Canon's f70 to 200 mm f2.8 liters is 3 USM offering, and almost half the current street price of Nikon's equivalent 70 to 200 mm f2.8 TFS FLED VR option, there are no obvious holes in the spec sheet. Everything we expect at this level is present. The optical array comprises 24 elements spread across 22 groups, and this includes 9 FLD pieces of glass and a single SLD lens, all of which are used to help control chromatic aberration. That's quite some step up from the 2 FLD and 3 SLD elements found in the lens's 8-year-old predecessor. The lens certainly feels robust enough in the hands, though. Magnesium alloy has been used for the barrel to keep it sturdy, while the mount has been fashioned out of brass. Dust and splash resistance comes courtesy of internal seals around all vulnerable points, and these are complemented by an external rubber seal at the mount, as well as water and oil-resistant coatings on the front and back elements. The camera's autofocus system delivers a strong performance throughout its focusing range. Whereas some lenses are characterized by manic movements followed by a final shift for accuracy, the lens on test moves smoothly but surely between different focusing points, without the hesitation we sometimes get just prior to confirming focus. There is a little noise as this happens, although this isn't too distracting. Certainly if you turned off any beeps from the camera, you could realistically use this lens in more discreet environments without too much bother. The Intelligent OS system promises a maximum 4 stops of correction, which equates to around 1 per 13 seconds at 200 mm, although testing shows that a steady hand can yield even better results. A number of images captured at 1 per 10 seconds appeared acceptably sharp, but it was surprising to find images at 1 per 8 seconds and even 1 per 5 seconds to be rendered much to the same extent. It's worth noting that this is with a 22MP full-frame camera, and that higher-resolution models such as the Canon EOS 5DS and Nikon D850 may give more rays to slightly more blur when images are viewed at 100%. Even so, this is still a very good performance indeed.